Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to get your host name and your IP address. Also we will return or display a remote IP address for any website. So let's begin in Python. First, let's return our host name. First, we need to import socket library. Import socket, and then print socket.get host name. This function is related to the socket class, so we don't need to instantiate an object from the class to access this function. You can use a class name like what I did now. Now, what if I want to get the IP address of my host or my so print also we'll use socket.getHost by name, get host by name, and give it your host name. Now this is my IP address. Now what if we want to get a remote an IP, the IP of a remote website or any website? For example, the website of Python. Let's copy its name and let's write its name here, get host by name. But we need to remove all of this. We just type the website name, and that's it. This is the IP address of python.org website.